the Sealey VS0211 brake piston windback toolkit. This patented dual-purpose tool is designed to both push and wind back brake pistons in one quick and simple action. It's built from lightweight, durable materials for use on most common caliper designs and is capable of working on either left or right-handed calipers. The kit includes 4 common adapters, but is compatible with all of the 2-pin magnetic adapters in the Sealey range, making this tool truly versatile. The Sealey VS0211 brake piston windback toolkit, strong, versatile and easy to use.